In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to order McDelivery using the McDonald's app. Let's get started. First, launch your McDonald's app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to this orders page. Now click on change location. Switch from pickup to McDelivery. Now enter your delivery address. The app will check whether McDelivery is available in your area. If delivery is available, you can begin building your order by browsing the menu and adding your favorite food and drinks to your cart. Keep in mind that the available menu may vary depending on your location. Once you have finished selecting your items to view your order, you can also apply eligible rewards or offers if they are available for your delivery order through the McDonald's app. When you are ready, tap checkout and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your order. Depending on your country or region, the delivery may be fulfilled through a delivery partners such as Uber Eats or DoorDash, and you may be redirected to complete the checkout process. After placing your order, you can track its status directly in the app until it arrives. Once your food is delivered, simply enjoy your meal, and that's it. That's how you can easily order McDelivery using the McDonald's app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.